Well, hello everyone. Dr. Ella Croney here. And as you can see, the beautiful waterfall in front of me, I just wanted to share that with you. It's outside of my office complex. It's been a busy Monday. And yet, I'm taking the time to sit and listen and watch this beautiful waterfall because it has a beautiful calming effect. We talked a little bit about the importance of meditation for reducing stress, anxiety, and lowering blood pressure. You can do something as simple as what we are doing right now, and that is listening to the sound of a waterfall. Or go on YouTube and listen to the sound of the ocean waves. Any of that produces a calming effect within minutes. The importance of meditation cannot be stressed because it helps you to reduce stress, reduce anxiety, and lower blood pressure. Now, there are many techniques that we will be covering later on concerning meditation, but for now, just find the sound of nature and sit with that for a little while. We are continuing with our theme of the month, Labor of Love, and we are finding different ways to support you at work for reducing stress. Until the next time, you stay strong, you stay healthy, and you stay forever young. Dr. Ella Croney, 714-349-3206.